What's up, my Credit Wealth Capital crew? This is Renata with Credit Wealth Capital. Please like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on any information that we put out on every Wednesday. Now, today we're going to talk about the top 5 banking strategies, how to build a banking relationship with a bank in 2021. Now, without further ado, let's get it. Okay, the first step that you should take of building a banking relationship is understanding why you need to do so. Come on now. Banks want to give you money. So the best way for them to be able to trust you, to get to know you, is for you to have a bank relationship with them. Now, bankers use this strategy to offer various products, as well as seeing the customer's loyalty and generate additional revenue. Now, small and medium sized and large banks all use these banking strategies. Relationship bankers often approach customers with offers such as insurance, investments, and certified deposits, which is like a CD that you will put money into, and you will actually use that to save that, because some people use CDs as a deposit for a secure credit card, but we'll get into that later. Now, whether for an individual or for a business, a small business, having a relationship with a bank will help you tremendously to actually get more opportunities, as in getting a business loan or a car loan, or even a credit card, because that's the whole point of us building this relationship, is because of the fact that we want to get their credit cards so we can build our credit wealth with the banks. Now, and the banks want you to be use their bank for a one-stop shop, so that way you will come to them for any and everything. Okay, so when you the reason why we want to have a relationship with the bank is so that we can actually get better interest rates on our car loans, credit cards, or even checking accounts. Because if you have insurance with a bank, you could actually get a free checking account. Some banks will give you a free checking account. Okay, so there we go. Reason 2. Now, the reason why you want to develop a relationship with a bank is to be able to get some advantages that the bank offers. Now, customers may be able to take advantage of these bank desires to develop a relationship banking by obtaining more favorable terms or treatment regardless of the rates and fees, as well as obtaining a higher level of customer service, which is especially true in a smaller bank such as a community bank or a credit union bank. For example, if a customer takes out a mortgage at a bank, the customer may be able to open up a checking account that is subject to fees. However, you might get the checking account for little to no fees. And another example is if a small business take out a revolving line of credit, it would be in a favorable position to negotiate the fees for that merchant process. Okay, so there is a lot of advantages of having a banking relationship. Okay, now step 3 of the most important reason of having a bank account, you have to choose the best bank that will work for you. Now, I have a couple of banks that are great that you should actually look into. They are Capital One, Wells Fargo, Chase Bank, Union Bank and Trust, Navy Federal Credit Union, but of course, USAA, Alliant Credit Union, Citizen Bank, Bank of America, First National Bank and Trust, and any of your local community banks or credit unions within your area. Those are actually will be one some of the best ones because most credit unions and your local banks are willing to give you more money than what some of the big banks like Bank of America would because they are really tight on their money. And actually, they have other loops that you will have to jump into to be able to qualify for some of their accounts that they have. So, with these banks, well, when open up a bank account, you have to deposit a minimum of $5 up to $100. If you have, like I said, a loan or some other type of account with them, you might not have to pay anything for a bank account. So that is a perk for you. Instead of paying for an account fee, you might get that account for free. So you should actually do your homework and look and see and locate the best bank that will work for your needs. The fourth thing you need to know about building a relationship, you should open up a bank account at that bank. Once you find the bank that is fit your needs, open up an account because first of all, they're not going to offer you any money if they don't know you. That's just like somebody coming up off the street saying, "Here, bro, here's $5,000. Do what you want." It's not going to happen. So first of all, open up a checking account. Some banks, you will have to open up a savings account first to having a checking account. And I know that ViStar here, you have to open up a savings account, which is $5, and you get a free checking account. So that is one way that you can actually start building credit. And also, if you're planning on open up a business, open up a personal account where you're gonna have your business account is. It only makes sense. So that way, and also there's another thing. You can have more than one bank. Cause I have a Navy Federal Bank as well as a USAA bank. And then I also have a local credit union bank because the more you have a relationship with different banks, the more credit cards that you can get, the more amount of loans that you can get because you have these relationship with these banks. So don't just put all your peas in one pot. Spread them out. So that way you have more money to be able to work with. Okay? Okay, so I'm up here spilling my guts. Hold on, wait a minute. Y'all need to like, comment, subscribe to this channel because y'all need to help us decide, okay? Because I am giving y'all to tea and y'all have not liked nor subscribed. So go ahead, comment, like, subscribe, and help a sister out, okay? Now, let's get back to it. The fifth and final reasons why you should build a relationship with the bank is to be able to get a credit card or a car loan or renter's insurance. Because right now, if you're renting an apartment, you will need renter's insurance to cover all your stuff that's in your apartment. So why not get it with the same bank that you have a car loan with? And if the car loan that you have the bank with the car loan, if they don't offer anything else, then go and find a bank that do offer you multiple things. So that way you can also get a discount for having multiple things with them, and you can start building that relationship because once you find the best bank that fits you and open up a checking account, apply for a credit card. If you get denied, then go ahead and get the secure credit card. And then also see if they have something like a pledge loan like Navy Federal has, that will help you start building your account. And also if they don't, you could always look at Self. Self has a program where you can actually put a certain amount of money into the account each and every month. And then they can also give you a credit card that you could actually, the money that you put in is your limit on that card. So that will be two items that you can, revolving items on your credit report, because that is the main thing that you want to do, is have revolving items on your credit report. You want at least five. Okay. And that is my bonus for today, is letting you know that you need to have at least five different accounts on, revolving accounts on your account. You will want a car loan, some type of insurance or a mortgage. You will want 2 to 3 types of credit cards, as well as a Victoria's Secret card on your account, because the more variety that you have on your account, is only 10%, but with some certain banks, it means a lot that you can actually handle different accounts, as well as multiple accounts at once. Okay, so there we go. The top 5 reasons that you should be able to build a relationship with a bank. Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on any episodes, any information that we put out on every Wednesday, okay? Again, my name is Renata. This is Credit Well Capital. So let's take credit to the next level. Be you, be true. See you on the next video.